How to fix lags or connection issues in Sonic Rumble. First of all, open the game on your device and check if you are connected to a stable internet connection. Lag or connection issues in Sonic Rumble can often be caused by weak Wi-Fi or mobile data signals, so ensure you are on a reliable network for smooth gameplay. Next, try restarting the game. Close the app completely and reopen it to refresh your connection. Sometimes temporary glitches or server hiccups can cause lag, and a simple restart often fixes minor issues. You should also check for game updates. Developers frequently release patches to improve performance and fix bugs that can cause lag or connection problems. Go to the App Store or Play Store and make sure you have the latest version of Sonic Rumble installed. If the lag persists, try clearing the app cache from your device settings. Cache data can sometimes slow down the game, and clearing it can improve performance. Be careful not to delete saved progress until it is backed up. Another tip is to close other apps running in the background. Running multiple apps can use up memory and internet bandwidth, which can lead to lag during gameplay. Freeing up resources will allow Sonic Rumble to run more smoothly. Lastly, if connection problems continue, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or moving closer to your router for a stronger signal. Persistent issues may also be related to the game servers, so check Sonic Rumble's official social media or support pages for any ongoing server problems. Now you know how to fix lag or connection issues in Sonic Rumble. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.